So in today's video I'm going to share the stunning, gorgeous, glittery green smoky eye makeup look. I just love this makeup look. It is so stunning, it is so glamorous. You can definitely carry this makeup look with any of your outfits, especially the green ones. It just looks so flattering. If you love glossy lips, you can definitely wear this eye look with the glossy lips. If you love matte lips, that is totally up to you. But the thing is, I just love this makeup look. Make sure to apply a lot of highlighter with this look because it just looks so gorgeous, so amazing. Like, let me know into the comment box, did you like this makeup look? And if you want me to create more and more and a lot of makeup looks on daily basis, let me know into the comment box. I will love to do that. So yeah, please keep on watching and make sure to like, subscribe and share. Be sure to check out my another channels. Links will be linked down into my description box. Make sure to subscribe them, watch their videos, and let me know into the comment box if you want me to create makeup looks more and more. Then please keep on watching, and yeah, make sure to watch the video till the end. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So first I'm going to moisturize my face with this Nivea moisturizer, and it's going to finish up, and this is my another empty. So yeah, I like this moisturizer. So this moisturizer is really good and very thick in consistency. That is why it does not break your foundation, and it makes your foundation to be long lasting, like a flawless base, not as the cakey base like after a few hours. But this moisturizer is very thick, so that is why it just gives moisturization, a long time moisturization to your skin. That is why makeup lasts over this. Okay, so yeah, that's why I really like this thick moisturizers on my everyday makeup look, and even on my makeup tutorials, even in my makeup tutorials and in my everyday makeup looks, I like these kinds of moisturizers. So that is why I highly recommend these. Okay, I need a little bit more. Moisturization is very important. If you don't moisturize your skin, your makeup will never last long ever. So that is why you should moisturize your face, your eyes, your lips. Everything is needed to be get properly moisturized if you want a flawless base for your skin. Yes, it is why use it. Okay, and next, for my lip moisturization, again I'm going to use this Nivea Peach Shine Lip Balm, and this is like this much is left and I'm almost done with it. So yeah, I'm not gonna use any primer today because I do have acne prone skin nowadays, so I just need my skin to be relaxed. Okay, so I don't want any kind of primers. Okay, so now let's move on to the foundation. So for foundation, again I'm going to use this Inside Cosmetics foundation. This is ultra skin thin foundation, and I am the shade number golden 1. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. Okay, and it's a glass bottle, and it also have the SPF 15, and it says that it is full coverage, but it is not full coverage. It is very skin like foundation. It is very sheer to medium coverage you can get from this foundation, but it's not a full coverage foundation. So next I'm going to use this Mass Beauty blender. I'm not going to use any foundation brush because my skin is like breaking out. That is why I don't want any round motions on my skin. I just need tapping motion. That is why I'm using this beauty blender. Because sometimes brushes can be harsh on pimples, so that is why I'm not gonna use brushes today, like base brushes, like for foundation, for concealer. So that is why. So my foundation is done. Just look at that foundation, that is gorgeous. And next, for my cream contour, I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics cream contour. So I'm just gonna use this contour shade. And next for my concealer, I'm going to use this HR concealer in the shade number 02, and this is the highlighting concealer. I just love this concealer, it is so good. So yeah, I'm gonna use this concealer like a lot today. Cream blush on, I'm going to use this Rico Cosmetics cream blusher in the shade number Goosebumps. Look at this gorgeous color, and just look at this one, how much I have used it. Just look at that dent over there. So you know, this is my favorite color. It is like a mauve pink undertone. It is not exact pink undertone, but it is a little bit of a mauve shade, so you can definitely see it right here. I just love this color so much. So I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit, and I'm going to use it. Love this color so much, it is really gorgeous. It has my heart, seriously. It looks really natural, and just look at that shine. I like that shine. Okay, I'm going to use here Oriflame compact powder. It is matte soft matte, that is why I'm using it. I'm going to blend everything. And then I'm just going to take my powder brush, and I'm going to set everything, blend it, and then set it. Another compact powder, I'm going to use this Mars compact powder, and it is such an amazing compact powder with it just gives you that flawless makeup base. So that is why I'm just gonna use this. It's really good. But this eye is half complete. Now let's move on to this eye. So for the eyeshadows, I'm going to use this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use this green row. So first I'm going to take this color, and I'm just going to focus it on right here. And right over here. And going up till my crease line. Now going to use same color on my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna use this color. Just deepen up the edges. Shadows. So now next I'm gonna smoke up my lower lash line with the black shade. I'm using this round pencil brush. I'm just going to use a black color and smoke it my lower lash line. For my shimmer eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Forever 52 palette. This is such an amazing eyeshadow palette. I really like it. And I also use this palette on my wedding day, so I just love that duochromes. So I'm going to use this color, this white golden color. This is such an amazing color, seriously. I'm just gonna pat right here. Look at this color, it's so gorgeous. Next I'm going to apply eyeliner, and I just need a very thin eyeliner just to cover the band of eyelashes. And so now I'm just gonna use this glitter right over here. So now I'm just going to comb my eyebrows and taking a black shade, just fill out the gaps. So next I'm going to apply this color bar kajal on my waterline. Next I'm going to apply this mascara from Mass Cosmetics. And for my bronzer I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty bronzer in the shade number 06 Soft Nude. Just look at that gorgeous color. I just love this color. You can definitely use this color as your blush on if you need like nude blushers. So you can definitely check out this one. This is such an amazing blusher. Basically it's a blusher, but I like to use it as my bronzer because I love these soft nude bronzers because they look so flattering on my skin tone. That is why. And for my blusher I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty palette in shade number 03, and I'm going to use this 3 colors as my blush on. And for my highlighter I'm going to use this Glam 21 highlighter in the shade number 03, and I'm just going to use this so I'm just going to use this upper part, just highlight my face. Oh my god, this highlighter is like everything. So now just blend everything so there should not be a harsh lines. So now for makeup fixer I'm going to use this my all-time favorite toner. For my lipstick I'm going to use this True Color lipstick and Charmissimi Milano lipstick in the shade number Brown Arrow. So next for my gloss I'm going to use this Mars lip gloss. So yeah, I love glossy lips. So yeah, this is the final finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this makeup look. I just love my eyes, I love my base, everything is like looking gorgeous. So I hope this video is very helpful for you, and be sure to like, subscribe and share to my channel. And yeah, till then, take care, bye bye.